Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Actually, I am very happy as well as very sad. Why? You know the reason? Yeah, because of the last video. The response of that video which I got is good. Because of that, I am happy. But not a single aspirant asked any doubt. Why? I am just asking. When I do polling, then they say that around 50% students said that they did not understand everything. I know they have understand few things, that's right. But see, I'm not a divine human. Okay, I can't understand that what is going inside your mind. Okay, so you have to ask, then only I can solve that. I mean that doubt. I can solve that doubt. Okay, is it clear? So, welcome you all in the second lecture. So, we will start from this thought that nothing will work unless you do. You have to first do that work, then that work will be done. Right? Are you satisfied with this one? This thought? Okay. So, let's start. Let's begin. Yesterday, I mean in last previous video, previous lecture, we have given two questions. First question was that if ABC multiplied by DEED is ABC. So what is the value of DEED? Okay, actually they have asked the value of D and E. Okay, in UPSC 2015. So we have to calculate the value of, we have to find the calculator, find the value of DEED. How to proceed this one? So I have told you that we have to, we have to represent this number, this number ABC. So how can we represent this one? By expanded form. Try it. You should try it. Okay. So I was saying A multiplied by how many? What is the number? A multiplied by 1 and 50. So this is the number. Then B multiplied by 10,000 plus C multiplied by 1000 plus A multiplied by 100 plus B multiplied by 10 plus C. That's it. Any doubt in this topic? In this statement? I think no. Okay, so let's arrange this one. Like this is A. We are taking common. Okay, so it will be. We are adding both. It will be A, and here is multiplied by 100, and here will be 100. Okay, plus B. It will be 10 and here 010. Okay, plus C, and it is 1001. Clear? Then finally what we can do here, we can take common. Is there anything common here? See, I can see that 1001 is common. Okay, so I am taking 1001 as a common, so it will be A multiplied by 100 plus B multiplied by 10 plus C, simply C. So now, so what can be this value? Can we write this as ABC? This is the expanded form of ABC. Is it? Okay. So now compare this one to this one. What you got? This is ABC and here is the ABC. So this is DEED is 1001. Right. So DEED is 1001. Is it clear? So question was asked that what is the value of D and E. So we can say D is 1 and E is 0. Right. Is it difficult? Tell me. Please comment if any doubt, you can comment. Otherwise I can't help. Okay. I am here to help you. But please comment. Okay. So second question was, see, this was a question. How many numbers are there between 100 and 300 which either begin with or end with 2? So, it is given either begin with or end with 2. Is it clear? Is there any doubt in this question? Okay, let me tell you, this is the CSAT from 2016. So how can we solve this one? It's very easy, trust me. So see, just like if I say 102, it is ending with 2. So we have to find numbers like this one. Okay, either it will start with, begin with 2 or end with 2 or both. That's not an issue. Like 202, both the cases starting with 2, ending with 2. Okay, like that one. So can we find these numbers? Just try, like 102. Okay, next number will be 112. Okay, then 122, 132, 142, 152, 162, 172, then 182, 192. Okay, like that. Now if you count this one, remove this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There is 10 numbers, but between 100 and 200, I'm not counting 200, I'm just saying below 200. Okay, so after 200, if you see, after 200 to 300, if you see, the 200 to 300, it is like 299. So there is 100 numbers, there are 100 numbers. Okay, all numbers have starting with 2 or maybe ending with 2 also, somewhere like this number, it is ending with 2 also, like 212 ending with 2 also. Okay, so we are getting here 100 numbers are there which have starting with 2 digit. Okay, so how many numbers are there? 100 plus this number, like 100 plus 10, that is total number will be 110. This is our answer. Clear? Any doubt? Okay, I hope, I think you understanding this one. Okay, if you understood this one, if there is any doubt you can ask. Okay, so we are going further. Okay, let me give you a small recap of the previous lecture, so that if anybody is not understanding this one, they will understand. Okay. Okay, see, this recap will be little fast. Okay, so first one, we have discussed types of numbers. In this topic we have discussed about natural number, we have discussed about real number and whole number, integers, then ration, that means real number means rational or irrational numbers, then prime numbers. Okay, then composite and co-prime numbers, we have discussed all those things. So what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are counting numbers. Okay, just I'm just saying, I'm not writing here. Natural numbers are counting number, like 1 2 3 4, like that one. Okay, then whole number will be from 0 to 0 1 2 3, like this one. Okay, then integers. What is integer? Integer is, negative infinity to, like -3, -2, -1, 0, and then positive integers to infinity. Okay, these are negative integers, these are positive integers. 0 is neither negative nor positive. Okay, then I have told you about real numbers. Real numbers means every numbers is real number. Okay, so real number can be represented as a rational number and irrational number. Okay, and rational number can be represented as fraction or decimal, whatever it is. Okay, so see, if you have to, if you want little more clarity, you have to attend that lecture. So please go through that one, so that you can understand well. Okay, so important one was prime number. Prime number is which can be divided by itself of 1. Then co-prime. Co-prime means there should be a pair, like if I say 2 3, if I say 8 9. 8 9 is a co-prime number. Both numbers are not a prime number, but this group is a, this pair is a co-prime number. Why? Because 8 9 common multiple is, common factor is 1. Okay, then composite numbers. So apart from prime numbers, all numbers are composite numbers. Clear? Then we have discussed about representation of number, right? In that topic, in representation of number, that means expanded form. Okay, this is very important because every year topic from this one, I mean question from this topic they ask every year. Okay, so we have to understand, like if I have written a b c, so it can be written as 100 times a, or okay, 100 times a, or a into 100, or plus b into 10 plus c, like this one. If I say 231, so it will be 200 plus 30 plus 1. Okay, actually if you see questions, okay, later we will discuss that one. Okay, so after representation of number, what was the topic? I have discussed about even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, even numbers and odd numbers, you know this one also. Okay, see, again I'm saying, please comment whatever your doubt is. Okay, then I can understand that what is your doubt, and I can resolve that one. Clear? So today's topic is factors and multiples, or we will try divisibility also. So let's start from factors and multiples. See, this topic is very basic, you have to understand this one. So what are factors? Right, factors are, I mean, if number is multiplied together. Okay, I mean, if few whole numbers are multiplied to get another number. Okay, so that numbers are called factors. Like if I say, for example, if I write 8, 8 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, or if I say 8 is equal to 4 multiplied by 2, so these are factors. These are factors of what? 8. Okay, because when we multiply all these numbers, then we get 8. Okay, that's what I was saying, that when few whole numbers are multiplied to get another number, then these are called factors. Okay, factors of this number. Fine. Okay, if I say what is the factor of 6, the factor of 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, that is 2 and 3 are factors. 2 and 3 are factors. Okay, now from this topic we have asked prime factorization. We have to understand this prime factorization. Okay, so what is prime factorization? Prime factorization means whatever the factor is, it should be a prime number. We already have studied that what is a prime number. So in like this one is prime factorization, but this is not. Okay, if I say prime factorization of do a prime factorization of 18, so it will be like, we have to do here starting from 2. If it is divisible by 2, then so it is 9, then it is 3, then it is 3, then 3, and it will be 1. So when we will ask that, we have asked that write down the prime factorization of 18, so it will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So what are the prime factors here? 2, 3 and 3. Okay, right. Second thing is multiple. I understand that this topic you have studied in your lower classes. Like, have you, I mean, every teacher said that have you learned about the table of 2, 3, 4, like this one? What are the tables in childhood? We have studied that one, like table of 2, table of 3, that thing. Okay, so same thing is here. So if I say what are the multiples of 2, so multiples of 2 means we have to read the table of 2. 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10. These are the multiples of 2. We are getting multiplied. 2 is getting multiplied. Okay, if I say multiples of, like this one, if I say multiples of 3, so it will be 3, 6, 9, like this one. These are multiples of 3, right? Okay, so the thing is, if there is two numbers, okay, let's say there is a two numbers x and y. Okay, if x can be divided by y, if we are dividing x like this one, okay, and we are getting 0 as a remainder, in that case what we will say, we will say that y is a factor of x, because x is getting divided by y. Okay, in that case we will say y is a factor. Okay, factor of this one, right? And what will be the x? X is a multiple of y. This is a multiple of y. I think you got confused. Okay, let me explain. See, if I say here it is 15, here it is 5. So quotient will be 3, it will be 15, remainder will be 0. So this is called factor, factor of 15. But 15 is a multiple of which number? 5. Right? Multiple of 5, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, like this one. So this is a multiple of 5 and 5 is a factor of 15. Is it clear? So both things are interdependent. We have to understand this one. Okay. See, few topics are based on this one, but I think they didn't, UPSC didn't ask those questions like numbers of factor, number of factor, or number of prime factors, sum of factors. They didn't ask this one question, this type of question. So I'm not giving those formulas. I'm just giving the concept of factors and multiples. Okay, and one more thing. This is divisor. This is dividend. This is quotient and here is remainder. Okay, so can we write like dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder? This is very basic, I know, but why I'm saying, because I can see in PYQ, through PYQ, like many questions are getting solved with through this topic, through this concept. That's why I'm giving this, I'm telling you that learn this one, make notes with this one. Okay, so write like dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient and plus remainder. Okay, very basic. Okay, so we are not going to practice question based on this one, so we are moving to the important topic, that is divisibility of numbers. Few numbers we will discuss. See, actually I was waiting since the first video I have uploaded, that if anybody asks any doubt, I will resolve that doubt and include that thing in this video. But no one asked anything. So I think maybe it will be late to upload this video. Okay. Anyway, I will try to upload in the time. See, we have to understand few things, like what are the rules to understand that it is divisible by 2, 3, 4, like this one. Okay, if I say if any number is given, we have to find that it is divisible by 2 or not. In previous lecture, we have discussed about even number and odd number. Remember, even number and odd number. So if it is even number, how can you understand that what is even number? So we have to see that unit digit is, if unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If these are in unit digit, unit place. Okay, like if I say 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2. This is unit place. So if in place of unit unit digit, if 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is present, then that number will be divisible by 2. Clear? Okay. Next one is divisibility of 3. So what will be the rule? For 3, we have to understand the sum of digit. Sum of digit. Okay, like this number is given. Just for example, if this number is given and we have to find that it is divisible by 3 or not, we have to just add all digits. Okay, add every digits. So how can we add? So simple. First thing, you can add simply like 1 plus 2, this is 3, 3 plus 3, it is 6, 6 plus 5, it is 11, plus 7, 18, plus 9, I guess 27, 27 plus 2, that is 29. So it is not divisible by 3. If it is I mean any sum, like if I remove this 2, okay, so it will be 27, so it is divisible by 3. One method. Second method which I follow, like if you do sum like 1, 2, it is 3, cancel this out. This is 3, this is cancel this out. This is 9, cancel this out. Because I know when like multiple, if there is a multiple of 3, okay, if 3 is given, 6 is given, 9 is given, 12 is given, if we add all these numbers, it will, whatever the answer is, that answer will be divisible by 3. Okay, that's why I'm cancelling this one, because we have to just check this number. Okay, and finally 7 and 5. So it is, what is the sum? 7 and 5, it is 12, so it is divisible by 3. So we can check like this one, no need to add. So follow whatever you like. Okay, next one is 4. So for 2 we have just checked the unit digit, but for 4 we have to check 2 digit, last 2 digit. Okay, tenth and 1st digit. If both number, if you can check both numbers, if this number is divisible by 4, then that number is, that complete number is divisible by 4. For example, if I say 5, 5, 5, 5, like this one, and at the last I am writing 1, 2. So it is 1, 2, 1, 2 is divisible by 4, then this complete number is divisible by 4. Okay, see, you have to write these things, you have to understand these things, because divisibility rule and that types of number, both topic if we combined, I can see many questions in BYQ, I can show them. Okay, so trust me, both topics are very important. Please make notes, and if there is any doubt you can ask. Okay, I'm asking again and again, so it's your choice. For 5 it's very easy. If unit digit is 5, then that number is divisible by 5. See, I'm not writing anything, I'm just saying, you can just write your own words, whatever you like. Okay, so further, for 6, what will be the answer? For 6, we have to see that 6 is a factor of 2 and 3. Okay, I mean, what are the factors of 6? Factors of 6 is 2 and 3. So we have to see the divisibility of 2 and divisibility of 3 both together. So for 2 we have seen that it should be even number, and for 3 we have seen that sum of digit should be divisible by 3. Okay, so for 6 we have to see both, it should be even as well as that number should be divisible by, I mean the sum should be divisible by 3. Obviously that number should be divisible by 3 also, same thing is clear. So till 6 very easy, no need to worry. For 7, little difficult. Why I'm saying this? So just watch this one. See, For 7 there is two concept, for a small number and for big number. Okay, for larger number, larger. Okay, for a small number, like if I say 637, okay, so we have to just multiply this last digit, whatever number it is given, just multiply this last digit with 2. Okay, and subtract the rest digit. It will be 63 and it will be 14. We will subtract, it will be 49, and 49 is divisible by 7. Okay, clear? No doubt. Okay, for larger number, why I am giving this topic, because this concept, because I think in 2019 this question was asked directly. Okay, there is a larger number, I think 12 digit or 13 digit number was given, and it is asked that we have to find the value of x or y, whatever that one. So we have to find that one. Okay, so for larger digit, like if I say 1 2 3 4 7 9 3 1 2 1 3 2 1 3, chalo. Okay, fine. So we have to make group of 3 from right side, not left side, from right side. This is one group, second group, third group, and fourth group, and last one, it is 2 digit or 1 digit or 3 digit. Don't worry, whatever it is, just write this one. Okay, and you have to add alternate one, like this is. Okay, we have to add this one, we have to add all 3. Okay, and we have to add this one. When we add all 3, like this one, okay, and this one, we will get one number, like let's say this is a. From this all 3 number we will get a, and from this bottom 2 numbers, like 347 and second one is 213. Okay, we will getting b. Okay, so subtract both numbers, and when both number, whatever the result is, and that number is divisible by 7, then say that that number is divisible by 7. Clear? We will discuss that question further. Okay, so just have patience. See, in CSAT we have to keep patience. Okay, and consistency is important. You know that one. In UPSC, consistency is very important, and to make to understand the concept for CSAT, that thing, patience is very important. Okay, so till 7 we have discussed. Now for 8, so for 2 we have just checked the unit digit. For 4 we have checked last 2 digit, but for 8 we have to check last 3 digits. Is it clear? So whatever number it is, just check last 3 digits, just check this one. If this is divisible by 8, then the complete number is divisible by 8. Fine? Clear? Okay, for 9, for 3 we have just checked that that the sum of all digit is divisible by 3. But for 9, little bit, I mean same concept, but okay, for 9 it is we have to add all number. Okay, sum of digit, here is the same sum of digit, but that sum should be divisible by what, 3 or 9? Divisible by 9, not 3. So number should be divisible by 9. Okay, like for example, if I say 111, it is divisible by 3 but not by 9. Okay, because sum is, if I add all three numbers, like 111, it will be 3. So 3 is divisible by 3 but not by 9. So it is. So now 10, everyone know about the 10. It should be, unit digit should be 0. Clear? Okay, but what for 11? If anybody know, you can comment that one. Okay, let's see how many of you doing right. Okay, I'm just saying this one. Like for 7, in 7 we have discussed about the larger number. Similar concept is here. Like if there is any number, like if I am saying 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like this one, we have to add all alternate numbers, alternate digits. Okay, these are the alternate digits. Okay, we have to add all alternate digits and subtract them. Whatever we get from this one, like A, whatever get from this one, say B, we have to subtract this one. If this number is 0, or if this number is a multiple of 11, that means that number is divisible by 11, then that complete number is divisible by 11. Issue? Any doubt? Okay, see, I should practice question based on this one. Like after 2 we have to, after divisibility of 2 we should practice question, but I am not giving that questions. I'm just giving the concept right now, because I think I should complete this first, then I will discuss about the questions. I will try to solve questions based on that one. Few practice questions, a few PYQs, and then one task. Clear? And this time I am expecting that you are going to ask me doubts. Okay, and one more thing, I will disclose, I will tell you that Telegram ID. You can ask me doubt there also. You can join that channel also. There is a channel already, and you can discuss there also. Okay, wherever you found comfortable, you can ask questions, but please ask. Okay, I just want that you got selected. I don't want that you got rejected because of CSAT. Okay. And one more thing, I'm little bit bad in English. Okay, so please bear with this one. Okay, so just focus in this quality of that whatever I'm giving you about that sessions. Okay, don't focus in that my bad English. Okay. Okay, fine. After 11 it is 12. See, for 12, what is the concept? 12 is what are the factors of 12? It is 4 and 3. Okay, why I am not saying 2, 2 and 3? Because we have to find two factors here. Okay, so for 4, what was the divisibility rule? For 4, it was we have to see last two digits. Okay, if last two digit is divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. And for 3, we have to see the sum of digits. Clear? So if we combine both, then that number is divisible by 12. I hope it is clear. Okay, we will discuss till 13, not 14. Okay, for 13, likewise 7, we have discussed in 7 for a smaller number. For yes, for a smaller number we have just check that last digit, that unit digit. Similar way, in this one we have to see the last digit, but instead of subtracting, I mean we were multiplied there by 2. Okay, for 7, like we have written 343. We have multiplied this one by 2, but in this case if 343 is there, we have to multiply this by 4. Clear? And again we have subtracted this one and we got 28, but here we have to add this one. Okay, and we will get how much? 46. So 46 is not divisible by 2, 13. Okay, so complete this number is not divisible by 13. Here 28 is divisible by 7, so complete number is divisible by 7. Okay, so till 13 we have discussed, because I think till 13 is important. After that 14, 15, these are not that much important. 16, 17, 18, these are not important. Is it clear? See, till now we have discussed two topics. One topic was factors and multiples. Okay, factors and multiples we have discussed, and then we have discussed divisibility rule. Both topics are very important. I think session 1 was important as well as this session is also important. Okay, and whatever topics I am discussing, all topics are important. I'm just discussing in the important topics only actually. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to solve the PYQs and then we will give you assignments, right? Okay, before that let me tell you the Telegram ID. So there is a channel, you can search with this one, CSAT maths _ solution. Okay, you will find a solution. I mean there is channel, I think 73 subscribers are there, so just subscribe that channel. Okay, and we will upload every videos. Okay, every new video we will upload there, and in that video you can discuss any questions, I mean any doubt you can ask. Okay, in this video, and I mean in comment section also you can ask doubt, and in this channel also you can ask doubt. Wherever you want, you can ask doubt. Okay, so moving forward we will discuss about that question. Let's practice. Yes, this question is from UPSC 2020. Okay, it was asked that we have to find how many integers are there between 1 to 100. That number should have 4, okay, as a digit, but that number should not be divisible by 4. Okay, so tell me what you have understood, that what is the divisibility of 4. We have to check the last 2 digits. Okay, fine. But there is a funny thing, like all numbers between 1 and 100, is all numbers are 2-digit number. I mean we are not counting this 100. In fact 100 is not going to be our answer here. Okay, because there is no 4 in 100. Okay, so whatever number is there between 1 and 99, all numbers are either 1-digit number or 2-digit number. Okay, so first of all we have to write all numbers, okay, which have 4 as a digit. Clear? Let's try it. I'm giving you let's take 3 minutes and try this one. Pause this video, try yourself and watch my solution, that how I am approaching this question. Okay, fine. So solution would be, we have to first find how many digits have, I mean numbers have 4 as a digit. Like first of all it is 4, then 14, then 24, then 34, then 41 to, I mean 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, right? Not 50, it will be 54, then 64, then 74, 84 and 94. Now can you tell me that how many numbers are not divisible by 4? It's very easy, right? So I'm just cancelling those numbers which are not divisible by 4. So it will be 14, 34. Okay, or you can cancel those numbers which are divisible by 4. It will be more easy. Okay, so 14, it is 34. So I'm cancelling the factors of 4, multiples of 4. So 4, then 24, then 44, 48, then 64. Yeah, 64, then 84, not 94. So how many numbers are there? Rest numbers are your answer, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 digits are there, mean 12 numbers are there, integers are there which have 4 as a digit, but these numbers are not divisible by 4. Got it? Is this easy? Okay. And one more thing, someone commented in a question like it's a very easy question, how can you ask this type of question? I mean in PYQ, not in this CSAT video. So I'm just saying whatever question we are discussing either in MCQ questions or in these videos, I'm just discussing very basic question. In this video we are discussing basic questions or we are discussing PYQs. Okay, if you are finding it very easy, then that's good, that's very good, but don't say that it's very easy, it's very childish question. It's PYQ. Understand, that's important. It's PYQ. UPSC have asked, if they have asked very easy question, then still many aspirants have unable to solve those questions. Okay, so respect that question. Okay, and try to understand the concept behind those questions, right? So don't be overconfident in questions after solving questions. So that's it. So let's solve the next question. So there was a question in 2020, like this is a statement based question. So many parents leave this type of question, but I think this is very easy, you should try. 2020 UPSC. So statement 1 was saying that all numbers, whatever numbers is there, all numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, statement 2 is saying that whatever numbers are there, all numbers are divisible by 3. Okay, now if I combine both statement, just think, if I combine both statement, so which conclusion we will follow? We have just now studied that for 2 and 3, I mean, if I combine both number, if I combine divisibility of 2, if I combine divisibility of 3 both, then what will be the conclusion? Conclusion will be that that number is divisible by 6. Okay, for divisibility of 4, we have to see the last 2 digits, not just 2 and 3. Okay, so we have to see the last 2 digits. So from this statement, from first and second statement, we can say that conclusion first is following, right? It's very easy. See, you can get easily 2.5 marks, right? Okay, that's why I'm saying you should understand the concept. Okay, just don't go blindly. Fine. This question was one of my favorite question. Why? Just see it. Okay. One more thing. Whenever I'm giving question, just pause the video and try to solve this one. Okay. In the beginning of the video, I have told you that you should keep pen and paper to solve the questions, to make notes. Okay. So pause this video and then see my solution, that what I am following, what is my approach here. Okay, so question is given that x, y, z is a number. Like I say 1, 2, 3. In place of 1, it is x. In place of y, it is 2. In place of z, it is 3. Okay, then x plus y plus z not a multiple of 3. Okay, that means this number is not a divisible by 3. Clear? Then we have to find that x y z plus y z x plus z x y is not divisible by which number? Okay. One more thing. Let me give you the options. Option is 3, B option is 9, C option is 37, and D option is x plus y plus z. Why I am giving this one? Because of this statement, I mean this option. Okay, so I'm just saying that don't go through hit and trial method, just try to solve this one. Okay, so we have to try the expanded form. Okay, what is the value of x, y, z? It will be 100x plus 10y plus z. This will be 100y plus 10z plus x, and this will be 100z plus 10x plus y. Okay, this is x. Now add the x terms, add the y terms, add the z terms. Okay, so it will be for 100 it is 100 plus 10 plus 1, it is 111. Clear? X. For y also it is 111 y plus 111 z. There is a common, right? So 101 is common, so x plus y plus z. Okay, so we have to find that if this number is not divisible by which number. So this complete number is divisible by this number x, y, z. Now factorize this one. If I factorize this one, it will be by 3 it will be 37. Okay, fine. Why I am doing this one? Because by looking at this 1, it is, I know that it is divisible by 3, but for 37 we have to do this one, we have to do prime factorization. Okay, so from this one we can say that this is this is divisible by this number, with this is divisible by this number, this is divisible by this number, but not by 9. Clear? I think you are understanding this time. And still, if you are not getting the answer, if you are not understanding the concept, if you are not getting my language, please say it. I am here to solve your doubt, not just to entertain your I'm entertain you. Okay, so let's move to the next question. This is one of the easiest question in UPSC history. Why I'm saying this one? Just see this one. So question is, this is from 2020. Okay, I think I'm just solving 2020 questions. Okay, no problem. We will solve other questions also. So how many 5-digit prime number? See, it is asked 5-digit, then prime number can be formed by using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition. If you see anything uniqueness in this question, you can underline that one. Like I am doing 5-digit prime number without repetition. This is important words. You should underline this one or circle this one. Okay, now pause this one, pause the video and solve this one. Okay. See, what's the concept of prime number? Simple. That number should be divisible by itself or 1. Okay. So we have to find 5-digit prime number. Practically it is impossible to find, I know, but by looking at this number, just try this one. Okay, if I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm just adding all. Okay, if I add all, it will be 3, 3, 6 and 9. 6 plus 9, it's 15. Oh wow, 15. What's that? Divisible by 3. Come on. It is divisible by 3. Then whatever number we are going to form, that number is going to be divisible by 3. So how can it be a prime number? Think. If that number is divisible by 3, that whatever number, try to form any number. Okay. And that number, that number consists all these 5 digits. Okay, and we will add all 5 digits, we will get the sum, this 15. Okay, and 15 is divisible by 3. That means whatever the number will form, that number is divisible by 3. Okay, so it is not a prime number, it can't be a prime number. Okay, the answer will be 0. Easy. Okay, so there is a 2 method to solve your PYQs, MCQ question. One method is simply guessing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can tick any number. If your luck is good, then you can mark that question correctly. That means 25% chances there that you're going to do correct. But overall, it's very less chances that you are going to pass CSAT by doing that one. So just understand the concept. It's very easy. And after understanding the concept, you can solve any type of question. Trust me. Okay. So I think I have discussed sufficient question practice questions, and I have given every concept right now. So let's do homework. Are you ready? Okay, it's very easy question. I have just chosen two very easy question, easiest question. Trust me. Okay, so let's see this one. So question is, the first one is, let x be a positive integer such that 7x plus 96 is divisible by x. How many values of x are possible? Okay. In fact, both questions are of same concept, and a little bit of divisibility concept is there. So you should try. And first one is 2023 questions, and this is 2024 question, and it is that it is asked that how many natural numbers are there which give a remainder of 31 when 1186 is divisible by this natural number. Okay, I'm giving you a hint. It's from that concept, whatever what I have taught you right now, like dividend is equal to what, divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. That's the same concept, but from that concept we can solve both questions. Okay, yeah, we can solve both questions. Okay, so try it, and this time if you have doubt, please ask. Okay, I'm saying it again, please ask, because I think I saw that around 50% people say that they have watched that video, that session, but they have some doubts in some part, but but no one asked anything. Okay, so that hurts me. So this time please ask, and do share this video as much as possible. It's free initiative, and you have to just watch this video, you have to just make a notes, you have to just be what, a honest aspirant. Okay, be it, be honest with yourself. Right. Okay, then we are going to end this session right now. We'll see next we'll see you soon in the next video. So till then, bye, all the best, good night, Jai Hind.